Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram Edit's mask animation feature. Now, to animate a mask in the Instagram Edits application, you must combine the mask tool with keyframes to create movement. This is a popular technique for revealing text or creating smooth transitions between clips. Now, to animate a mask, all you have to do is go ahead and select your clip. Now, once you select your desired clip, you have to scroll through this navigation bar on the bottom. Then select an option called mask. Now, once you tap on it, this new option will pop up where you can find options like rectangle, eclipse, shutter, and even split. I'll be using split because it seems much more easier for me. Now, once I select this, you can find this keyframe option over here. What you can do is set your masking tool on the bottom. Now we want it to go upwards and change to this or transition into this new video. So to do so, I will set this masking layer on the bottom of the video. Now, and add a keyframe on one of these timelines, and as you can see, I will set another keyframe over here where this specific masking layer will transition from above to up. Now I will send it up, and as you can see from here, by adding these keyframes from from the beginning to ending, it has been automatically animated, and that is how you can use this masking feature and that is how you can use animation masking feature by adding keyframes. Now, if I want to make this video more smoother or this transition more smoother, what I can do is select this clip at the end and set it to this overlay option. Now, once I add it as an overlay, this video will pop up as once the older video transitions from one to another. And as you can see, the video has transitioned to a new one, and that is how you use the animate option and that is how you use Instagram Edit's mask animation feature. And if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.